I'm Kristen, this is Kristen Unpoisoned, and on this channel we take the poison out of everyday living, and today we are going to try MALK'S Super Clean Holiday Nog. I did actually try this last year and I liked it, however it didn't really taste like nog to me. It's a pleasant drink, but I thought I would try it again this year and actually record it this time and see if anything's changed, and if it still doesn't quite taste like nog should, I want to see if I can fix it. You could see it was a pretty thin consistency. Normally nog is a bit thicker, maybe a little bit more custardy. So this is a pretty liquidy nog, but let's see what it tastes like. I do really like the taste. It is sweet. You can taste the slight bitterness of the almonds, which I like. If you don't like almonds, you can taste the almond in this, so if you don't like almonds, you'll want to skip. You can taste the sweetness of the maple syrup, and there's a little bit of spice in there too. To me, it doesn't exactly tastes like nog. Before I knew I shouldn't be having dairy, I used to have eggnog all the time, and this doesn't taste like that at all really, but it is a really nice spiced drink that does bring kind of a nostalgic feeling in there because you can taste the spice in it. I think it's nutmeg. There's only 5 ingredients. They are filtered water, organic almonds, organic maple syrup, organic nutmeg extract, and Himalayan pink salt. For me, nog should really have cinnamon in it. So all those ingredients are clean, and I think it tastes really pleasant. It's not super noggin, so let's add some cinnamon and see if that helps. Get that cinnamon all stirred up in here. Okay, with the cinnamon added, the nog is almost perfection, except it's just so watery. Nog is supposed to have that really thick mouthfeel, you know? And that's just lacking here. I think I know exactly what we can add to this to make it a perfect nog. Any ideas? This is it, guys. I just know it. Fronen is the cleanest, best tasting dairy-free ice cream out there. If you haven't tried Fronen yet, I have another video where I taste test a bunch of different flavors. I'll link it above and in the description below for you to check out. Alright, let's add cinnamon powder and Fronen vanilla ice cream and see if I'm right. I've left it out so it is nice and soft. And I've just got a new jar. I'm going to put it in this new jar here. Alright, I've added this much to the bottom of this mason jar here. Now we'll add some cinnamon. Just a few dashes here. And we'll pour over some MALK now. Cover it up. I'm just stirring it all up here till it's combined. Alright, this is looking and smelling good. It's a lot thicker now, even though it's still watery. It's not as thick as a proper eggnog, but it's a lot thicker than it was before. All right, let's see. You guys, I did it. This is nog. This is the best eggless, dairy-free, grain-free nog that you're gonna find anywhere. What? It's got the taste of nog with the nutmeg and the cinnamon and the maple syrup, giving it that nice sweetness. It's got a similar mouthfeel in that it's thicker and there's the creamy texture in it. I just don't know how you can make a better nog than this. I mean, who knew? All you had to do to this was add some of this. Tell all your dairy-free, egg-free, grain-free, allergy friends that they can have nog. Even though MALK'S Holiday Nog is not perfect on its own, it is the cleanest, dairy-free, grain-free, healthy nog on the market that I found. Let's just take a quick look at a couple other popular nogs to see why this one's better. Califa Farms Holiday Nog is a pretty popular one that you're going to find in a lot of grocery stores here in the US. Let's see what it actually is. There we go. Main ingredients. Let's just read all the ingredients. So here's the ingredient list. Let's see. There's the fruit and vegetable juice for color, which could be an issue because they don't tell you which fruits or vegetables. So if they're using nightshade vegetables or if they're using grain or something in there, you're going to need to know that. And the only way to know what they use is to contact the manufacturer. So you have to call them or email them or something and find out what they use. After that, there you see potassium citrate. That is often sourced from corn, so that's an issue. We've got natural flavor, which is an issue because it can be any of hundreds of different things, and they don't have to tell you what it is because it's a trade secret. It's protected as a trade secret. So it can be any of hundreds of different things. It could be something normal like blueberries, or it could be something created completely synthetically in a lab that mimics a natural flavor. So for me, if you're not going to tell me what's in the food I'm buying, I'm not going to buy it because I'm not going to eat something that I don't know what it is. Next, you've got guar gum and gelling gum. All gums are potentially gut irritants, so if you have an autoimmune issue or any other kind of gut health issue, you're going to want to stay away from gums. Guar gum specifically is derived from legumes, so if you're on the AIP diet or otherwise avoiding legumes, obviously you're going to not want to eat that. And guar gum is often derived from corn or whey, so that's the issue there. Another popular nog is So Delicious Coconut Holiday Nog, which this one's different because it's coconut milk, whereas the other two, MALK and the Califa Farms one, those were both almond milk. Here are the ingredients for this one. Alright, so we've got your ingredients here. We've already been over the guar gum and the natural flavor and why those are issues, but this one also has xanthan gum, which is another gum and we know to stay away from those. Xanthan gum is often sourced from corn, soy, or wheat, or it might be whey. So again, that's another reason to stay away from it, besides it just being a gum. And again, almond milk just has 5 ingredients: filtered water, organic almonds, organic maple syrup, organic nutmeg extract, and Himalayan pink salt. So there's nothing on the market as clean as this one. There you have it, folks. Even though MALK'S Holiday Nog might disappoint right out of the bottle, it is the cleanest you're gonna find on the market, and you can make it pretty much perfection by adding its best friend, thrown-in vanilla ice cream and a dash of cinnamon powder. If you try this, please let me know what you think in the comments below because I would love to know. Keep living an unpoisoned life, and I'll see you next time.